This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset tire pressure on a Hyundai Ioniq. Maintaining correct tire pressure is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. Before starting, make sure your tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure, which you can find on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb or in your owner's manual. This initial step is vital for a successful reset. To accurately check your tire pressure, always use a quality gauge when your tires are cold. For many Hyundai Ioniq models, the recommended pressure is often around 36 psi or 250 kilopascals. Inflate each tire to this specific level. Remember, checking your door jamb sticker provides the most accurate pressure for your particular Ioniq model. Now, let's reset the system. First, turn your Ioniq's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the TPMS reset button. It's commonly found beneath the steering wheel. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the tire pressure warning light on your dashboard blinks 3 times, then release it. After releasing the reset button, start your Ioniq's engine. To allow the system to recalibrate, drive your vehicle for approximately 10 to 20 minutes, maintaining a moderate speed. This driving period helps the sensors register the new pressure settings. Once complete, check your dashboard. The tire pressure warning light should now be off, indicating a successful reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.